Hey guys, it's Jimmy with Trailer Valet, and today I'm going to show you guys the newest member of our RVR series, the RVR12, which will handle up to 12,000 towing capacity and about 1,200 pounds tongue weight. So first I'm going to show you guys how to properly maintain your RVR12. By doing so, I'm going to show you how to clean the unit, also how to retighten the tracks and track replacement. So the tools I'll be using on the RVR12 will be a hammer, a punch pin, some flash cutters, your roto clip tool, the links around the track, which is also included in your spare parts kit, and your link guide tool, which is also included. And last but not least, you will also need a star head driver, or if you have a newer style unit, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. So first, before you clean your RVR12, you have to take off your plastic side cover. So again, as I said before, if you have an older style unit, you'll need a T27 star head. If you have a newer unit, you'll just use a standard Phillips screwdriver. So to begin, take off these 6 screws. Once the last screw has been removed, you can go ahead and remove the plastic side cover, which will expose the inside of the unit. So once you've removed the side cover, one thing to always watch out for is to make sure all of your tracks inside are clear. No debris or anything inside. If there's any debris or rocks inside, it will mess up the sprocket of your unit and get jammed or stuck. After you've made sure all of your tracks are clear, wipe down your unit. Any grime or grease that you see around the inner sprocket or the tracks, make sure you wipe clean. After prolonged use of the RVR12, sometimes you will have to retighten the tread on the unit. In order to tighten the tread on the unit, you're going to need a standard flathead screwdriver and a 15mm socket. To begin doing so, you have to pop the socket on the head of the bolt that you see right here. Once you've done that, you have to loosen the head of the bolt right there. Once this is loose and not removed, do not remove it, place the flathead screwdriver in the track that you can see right here. Once you get the flathead screwdriver in the track, place your socket back on the nut and you pry the unit back out like so, and then you tighten it. There should only be a little bit of finger play once it's tightened. If you can jam your whole hand in, it's too loose. So next I'm going to show you how to replace one of the tracks if for some reason they are damaged. To replace the track, you need your flash cutter pliers, and you're going to need to remove this roto clip here. Don't worry, the clip will get damaged when it's removed, it's okay. They come with extra. Once the clip is removed like so, now you're going to use your punch pin with the hammer to punch your pin out. So once you've pushed the pin with your push pin, you can fully remove it and it will look like so. You will not have to remove the roto clip that is on the other side. Now you can go ahead and do the same process with the second one right here. So grab your flash cutters again and get behind the roto clip and just pry it off. Once you've removed the second roto clip, then you can go ahead and again push the pin all the way through. Make sure to not lose one of your links. Now that the second pin is out, now you can remove the track. One thing that is unique about our RVR12 is you can see each individual track. So if for some reason one of them is damaged, instead of having to replace the entire tread itself, you would just replace one of the tread links. So once you have your new tread to replace the damaged one, just go ahead and slot it through like so. Grab your link. And as you can see on the front, each link is staggered. You have one on top, one underneath, one on top, one underneath. So make sure you follow that pattern. Grab your pin, slot it through the inside first, then grab your link for the front. Again, as I said, it's staggered, so this one would be under. Grab the other link and place it on top. Now that you have it going all the way through like so, you will grab your roto clip tool, which you will put the clip itself inside the groove that you see right here. Make sure when you place it inside the tool, you have the little clip heads that you see facing downward inside the tool. So once you have the roto clip in, you can go ahead and just place it over the pin and press firmly. You should hear a little click sound, and once you hear that, go ahead and pull it off, and as you can see, it is on. Then you go ahead and repeat the same process with the bottom. Align your holes in the back first. Now you go ahead and slot the pin from the back through the holes and bring it through to the other side. Keep in mind, when doing so, make sure you do this before you tighten your tracks or loosen your tracks up. Once you loosen your tracks, you'll have much more give. It'll be much easier to line the holes up when replacing the tread. Now that I have the pin all the way through like so, again, grab your roto clip tool, place your roto clip on the inside with the little pins sticking downward, and go ahead and place it on the pin and firmly press it on like so. Again, when you hear that clicking sound, you know your clip is on. Go ahead and remove the roto tool, and as you can see, you're good to go. So once you've completed replacing the tread, now you can go ahead and place the plastic side cover back on the unit. So keep in mind, after purchasing the RVR12, after 1 or 2 uses of the unit, the tracks will stretch on you. So you will need to tighten the treads down. If this video is helpful to you guys, like and subscribe to our channel.